Ever found yourself in a situation where you're struggling with pain and conventional treatments just don't seem to do the trick? A question most of us can answer affirmatively. It's a predicament known all too well. The relentless pursuit of relief, the ceaseless rotation of prescriptions, the optimism that finally, maybe, the pain will remain at bay. But pain management has another facet, one that transcends the limitations of traditional medicinal approaches. This is the realm of holistic pain management, a world that looks at the bigger picture of your health, understanding that pain is not just a physical sensation, it's a multifaceted interplay between your mental, physical, and spiritual self. Holistic pain management appreciates the complexity of your personal experience with pain. It takes into consideration all aspects and factors that contribute to your pain. It's about understanding your pain, not just numbing it. Conventional treatments often provide temporary relief, but they rarely address the root cause of the pain. They focus on treating the symptoms rather than the underlying issue. But what if there were techniques that could naturally and effectively help manage your pain? Holistic pain management approaches the issue in a more rounded way. It acknowledges the fact that every individual is unique and hence, one-size-fits-all solutions might not always work. What works for one person may not work for another. Holistic pain management encourages the exploration of various techniques and treatments until you find what works best for you. This journey of exploration can lead to a better understanding of your body and response to pain. Ultimately, it can empower you to manage your pain more effectively. Stay tuned as we explore some holistic techniques that might just change the way you manage pain. So, what exactly is holistic pain management? Delving into the etymology of the term holistic, we find ourselves reaching back through centuries to the ancient Greek language. The term originates from holos, a word that translates simply to the English word whole. This gives us an initial glimpse into the concept of holistic pain management. It's essentially about looking at the complete picture. Rather than maintaining a narrow on one aspect, like symptoms, holistic pain management widens the lens to consider the full spectrum of a person's health and well-being. Imagine you're strolling through a lush garden. Amongst the vibrant flowers and green foliage, you spot a weed. You lean over and pluck it out. But what if you just remove the part of the weed that's visible, leaving the root entrenched in the soil? You can almost guarantee it will grow back, perhaps even stronger. This is how traditional pain management often works. It zeroes in on the surface issue, the pain, but doesn't investigate what's causing it in the first place. In stark contrast, holistic pain management aspires to understand the entire garden, your body and mind. It seeks to uncover and address the roots that are causing your pain. This comprehensive approach includes various non-pharmacological methods, which means it doesn't lean solely on medication as a solution. While medication can indeed be a useful tool in managing pain, it's not the only option available. Holistic pain management recognizes this and incorporates other methods into the treatment plan. One such method is the use of mind-body techniques. These are strategies designed to tap into the power of your mind and use it to influence your physical health. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and guided imagery can help manage pain by altering the way your brain perceives it. Another key component of holistic pain management is physical therapy. This can include treatments like massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care, all of which function by manipulating the body in ways that can alleviate pain and improve function. In essence, holistic pain management is a multi-dimensional approach that looks at all aspects of your life: physical, emotional, mental, and even spiritual. It's about acknowledging and understanding that your pain is unique to you, and as such, it requires a personalized approach. The best way to manage it is with a plan that's specifically tailored to meet your unique needs and circumstances. Holistic pain management offers an array of options tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. Let's dive into the world of mind-body techniques. This journey will take us through a paradigm where we can actively influence our physical health by merely tapping into the untapped reservoirs of our minds. We're about to embark on an exploration of mind-body techniques, an indispensable pillar in the comprehensive approach to pain management. These techniques stand as a beacon of hope for those seeking a natural way to diminish pain, curtail stress, and augment their overall well-being. At the front of our list is the age-old practice of meditation. Meditation in its purest form is about disciplining the mind to concentrate with unwavering attention and redirect thoughts. It equates to performing a workout for your brain. You're effectively augmenting mental fortitude, and in doing so, you're transforming your perception of pain. Numerous studies have revealed that regular meditation can mitigate pain sensitivity, making it a potent weapon in the arsenal for managing chronic pain. Now let's delve deeper into yoga. Yoga is a dynamic practice that amalgamates postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It's like being offered a triple deal on mind-body techniques. The physical postures contribute to improving flexibility and strength, while the breathing exercises and meditation foster relaxation and stress reduction. The synergy of these benefits collectively helps in alleviating pain. Visualize yoga as a soothing massage for your entire body, tranquilizing your nervous system and mollifying those aching muscles and joints. Next on our itinerary is biofeedback. In this practice, you're tutored to control bodily functions that typically occur involuntarily, such as heart rate or muscle tension. With the help of sensors that present information about your body, you learn to implement subtle changes, with the ultimate goal of achieving a desired outcome, such as reducing muscle tension to mitigate pain. It's akin to possessing a superpower where you can regulate your body's functions to better manage pain. However, it's essential to note that these techniques are not magic potions. They demand consistent practice, an abundance of patience, and a steadfast perseverance. The secret to their effectiveness is consistency. It's comparable to nurturing a plant. You can't just water it once and expect it to flourish. It needs to be watered regularly. In a similar vein, to harvest the benefits of these techniques, you must incorporate them into your daily routine. And there's one more thing. These techniques are not a universal fix. What brings about miraculous results for one individual may not have the same impact on another. You are unique, as is your pain. Therefore, it's advisable to experiment with these techniques and try out different combinations. Keep an open mind and be receptive to new experiences. It's all about discovering what resonates best with you. Before we transition to the next section, if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment below. We're eager to hear your feedback. Also, do check out the description box for our recommended health products. Remember, these techniques are not one size fits all. Experiment to find what works best for you. Physical therapies play a crucial role in holistic pain management. Let's discover some of these therapies that aid in pain relief. Primarily, there's acupuncture. Rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles through your skin at specific points on your body. It's thought to balance your body's energy, known as qi or qi, and stimulate the body's natural painkillers or endorphins. Acupuncture is effective in treating pains, including headaches, back pain, and menstrual cramps. Then we have massage therapy, an age-old practice. It involves manipulating the body's soft tissues to alleviate tension, reduce stress, and encourage relaxation. Massage therapy can treat a variety of health conditions, including muscle tension, nerve pain, and even digestive disorders. Through improved blood circulation and promoting relaxation, massage therapy assists in alleviating pain and promoting wellness. Following next is chiropractic adjustments, a treatment focusing on the body's musculoskeletal structure, mainly the spine. Chiropractors manipulate the body's alignment to alleviate pain and improve function, allowing the body to heal itself without surgery or medication. This method is beneficial for individuals suffering from back pain, neck pain, and headaches. Physical therapy, another key player in the field, uses techniques like stretches, exercises, and other physical activities to improve mobility, reduce pain, and restore function. Particularly beneficial for those recovering from injuries, surgeries, or dealing with chronic conditions. Hydrotherapy, another therapy, water for pain relief and treatment. The buoyancy, warmth, and hydrostatic pressure of water can reduce swelling, relieve pain, and increase mobility. And finally, yoga. This ancient practice combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to improve physical strength, flexibility, and mental well-being. Regular yoga practice can help manage pain and reduce stress. It's important to note, these therapies are not universally effective. What helps one person may not help another, and it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before initiating any new treatment. We hope you found this information useful. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. We appreciate your feedback. Check out the description box for our recommended health products that can support your journey towards holistic pain management. In conclusion, physical therapies offer a hands-on approach to pain management that can complement other practices. Whether it's the strategic use of needles and acupuncture, the soothing touch of a massage, or the precise alignment of chiropractic adjustments, these therapies provide a unique path to pain relief and overall health. Sometimes the key to managing pain lies in our daily habits. Our choices in terms of nutrition, activity, and rest periods can markedly influence our perception of pain. Starting with, it's crucial to understand that food is more than just fuel, it's a type of medicine as well. The food we consume can either exacerbate or alleviate pain. To reduce inflammation, a balanced diet is recommended, which includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Certain foods like fatty fish, chia seeds, and flax seeds that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids have been proven to have anti-inflammatory effects. However, processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can intensify inflammation and hence pain. The next aspect to consider is physical activity. While it might seem counterintuitive to move more when in pain, regular exercise can help in managing pain effectively. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, and strengthens muscles, thereby reducing the strain on painful joints. It's important to opt for exercises that are suitable for your specific condition and fitness level. Consultation with your healthcare provider before starting a new routine is advised. Another factor to consider is sleep. Proper sleep hygiene is essential for pain management. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate, processes that are for managing pain. Chronic sleep deprivation can magnify pain and make it more challenging to manage. Good sleep hygiene involves maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding stimulants like screens and caffeine close to bedtime. Indeed, implementing these changes can be challenging, but it's important to remember that you can start small. You might begin by incorporating more vegetables in your meals or by taking a short walk each day. Even these small changes can considerably impact your pain levels. It's important to remember that albeit these lifestyle changes are potent tools in managing pain, they're not supposed to replace medical treatment. Collaboration with your healthcare provider to devise a comprehensive pain management plan is critical. Before we continue, if you found this content beneficial, we would appreciate if you could like our content, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment below. We're eager to hear about your experiences and any topics you'd like us to address in future videos. Don't forget to check the description box for our recommended health products. Undertaking these lifestyle modifications can be a significant addition to your pain management toolkit, so why not give them a try? After all, when it comes to managing pain, every little bit helps. Now, let's revisit the main points we've covered. We have explored the holistic approach to pain management, which emphasizes the mind-body connection and targets the root cause. Holistic pain management is a comprehensive strategy that treats pain as a symptom of imbalance and seeks to restore harmony. It employs a range of non-pharmaceutical methods to achieve this goal, and we've dived into few of these today. First, we discussed mind-body techniques. These techniques harness the power of the mind to alleviate pain. Practices such as mindfulness meditation and deep breathing exercises can lower pain perception and stress, creating a sense of tranquility and wellness. Following, we examined physical therapies that include massage, acupuncture, and yoga. These treatments stimulate the body's inherent pain relief mechanisms, enhance blood flow, bolster flexibility and strength, aiding in reducing pain overall. Lastly, we advocated lifestyle changes, emphasizing how modifications to everyday routines, diet, and sleep patterns can significantly aid in pain management. We highlighted the importance of regular exercise, a balanced diet abundant in anti-inflammatory foods, and adequate sleep for holistic pain management. Each individual's journey with holistic pain management will be unique, as what works for one might not work for. It's about discovering the right blend of techniques that cater to your needs. However, always consult your healthcare provider before embarking on any new regimen. Importantly, holistic pain management is not just about mitigating pain, it's about gaining control over your health, leading a balanced life, and fostering a sense of empowerment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through holistic pain management. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. And don't forget to subscribe, and comment below.